Students, welcome back to e-learning program. Myself Pitles Kumar presented in front of you. Dear students, today is discussed about multiplications in money for class 2, page number 150. Dear students, recap. In previous video, we discussed about addition, subtractions of money in word forms and simple normal additions, ordinary subtractions learned. But today, learn how to multiply, why not divide. Such type problems today discussed in front of you. You know that the smallest unit of money, the unit of money in India is rupee. In our country, currency of money is equal to rupee. All students know that. And also know that 1 rupee is equal to 100 pies. And what is the symbol of money? New symbols of money. This is the new symbol of money. Okay. And what is the plural form of rupee? Rupees. Rupee is the singular form and rupees is the plural form. All students know that such types. This is the common symbols of rupee in the form of singular and in the form of plural form. Always both places we use such type symbols. So okay, this is the good symbols of money. This is invented by Mr. D. Uday Kumar, Mumbai IITian. Students, now let us start your related topic. Suppose you go to market and what is this? This is marker. You have purchased 3 markers. The cost of 1 marker is 5 rupees. Cost of each marker is 5 rupees. What is the price of 3 markers? Suppose 3 markers you have purchased and each cost of each marker is 5 rupees. So must be add in 3 times. Why add 3 times? Because you have purchased 3 markers. So 5 plus 5 plus 5. That means 15 rupees. Yeah. This is the addition form. Repeated addition is called multiplication. Multiplication is the form of repeated additions. Every student know that. So here write down 3 times of 5 rupees. 3 times of 5 rupees. You must be write down in this way. 3 times of 5 rupees. So must we read the table of 3 5 times. Yeah, sorry, 5 table of 5. Read 3 times. 5 3 ja 15. 5 3 ja 15. That means 15 rupees. So dear students, you find out the answer 6 additions form in the smallest form, but in large form, in large places you multiply, then you find out what is the value of such objects. In this way, dear students, you apply in multiplications. Multiplications of rupees या पैसे by a number in ordinary multiplications. In ordinary multiplications, no any complex multiplications of money in rupees या पैसे by a number. So now started. Fill in the blanks. Some questions in front of you. Dear students, here rupees 6 multiplied by 5 and rupees 8, rupees 10 multiplied by 8 and 10 paise multiplied by 7 and 5 paise multiplied by 4 and now rupees 8 multiply by 9 and 8 paise multiply by 6 and 10 paise multiply by 5 and RS6 multiply by 8. Find the answers. This is the ordinary multiplications. Every students know that. Today's your topic. This is your today's topic. This is ordinary multiplications. So must be write down 6 5 ja 30 and here rupees. So must be write down 30 rupees. 10 8 ja 80. Must be write down rupees and here 10 7 ja 70. Here paise. So must be write down 70 paise. 5 4 ja 20. Here paise. So must be write down 20 paise because you know that 100 paise is equal to 1 rupees. Here 8 9 ja 72. Must be write down rupees and here 8 6 ja 48. Must be write down paise and 10 5 ja 50 50 paise and 6 8 ja 48 rupees. In this way, dear students, you find out, fill in the blanks, how to multiply, why multiply in ordinary methods. When you multiply, use the ordinary method, you find out the answers. I hope that you understand. Please make page number 150. If you any problems, ask them. Thank you, students.